Okay guys, I'm just putting these Wishful Eye Lift and Snatch patches. I love these eye patches. They feel so good, like they have a cooling effect or something, and they stay on really good. So far these are probably my favorite. So today I'm doing all cream or liquid products. I don't normally do that. I don't think I've ever done it on myself just because I have oily skin and I personally don't like it on me, because at the end of the day I'm going to end up like a grease ball, but doing it today. Guys, I'm going to take ColourPop's shadow sticks. Last time I used these, I said these came in a set because that's how I got them, in a set, but they do sell them singles and they're only like $6. So this color is Check Please and Matte. I'm going to use this kind of as my transition, so I'm just applying it. Oh crap. Oh crap. A little bit broke off. No. Applying it where I normally would my transition color, and then I'm going to blend it really quick. I don't want to leave it on too long. Any type of cream product, stick, or anything like that you put on your eyes, you should do one eye first. You don't want to do both because it can dry and it won't blend really nice. So I'm really not doing anything hard or special to my eyes today. I'm just so tired. I feel so tired, but I wanted to film, so just wanted to do something easy on the eyes. And then I took this Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow in the color Copper, and I put that all over my lid. And especially with these ones, you're going to want to do one eye first because they dry really fast. So I'm just putting it all over, and then I'm going to blend it. That wasn't as sparkly as I wanted it, so I am going to take another product. I'm using Huda Beauty's, what is this? Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I'm just using the shimmery side, and this is Bamboo Hoops. And that all over too. So I'm first going to apply it, and then I'll blend it out with the brush. To add a little bit of smokiness, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Limitless Brown, and I'm just going to put that above on my lash line, and then I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm just blending it out really quick before it sets and gets harder. And it can be used on, it's like an all over pencil, so I use it on my lips all the time. I'm going to put my lashes on, and I will be right back for my face. And I'm still going to use the Huda Beauty, I don't know what this is called, foundation, and I am in the color Custard because I still need some good coverage. I don't know what to do with my nails next. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I'm going to be taking these off, and I just don't know what to do. Oh, I forgot to spray my face. No. Okay, to warm up my face, I'm going to take concealer, and I'm going to use the Cover FX Power Play. That's what it's called? Yeah, Power Play. Warm up my face a little bit, and if I need any more, I'll use a cream. I'm going to use the same brush I used for foundation just to blend this out, because it already has some foundation on it, so it should blend it out pretty good. Oh no, I forgot I'm not doing powder, so I have to do my nose with this too. Kind of doing this as bronzer. My nose too. I need to do my concealer, so I'm going to do that first. I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape. I am going to do a little bit of setting powder though under my eyes. Yeah, I personally don't like using all cream products on myself. It looks really nice in person up close when I first do it, but yeah, end of the day, Not so cute. Yeah, I'm going to do blush first. I'm going to add this iconic London sheer blush in Rose Riot. I don't know, I've never tried this one. Whoa, maybe not. Okay, that's too pink. I'm going to use the color Cheeky Coral. Yeah, Cheeky Coral. It's more of a coral. But that is the pinkier one. I'm going to use this one right with the Beauty Blender. It's really sheer. Really, really sheer. Shoot. Okay, I'm just going to do that because I don't have anything else right here. But it is really, really sheer. Like it said. It's like really good for the beach, but it's really sheer. It's really pretty. Before, I'm taking Laura Mercier's setting powder. Before I do anything else, I want to do under my eyes just before anything starts moving around. Just taking a small brush and I'm just adding it exactly where I want it. For highlighter, I'm not sure if I want to use Mary Dumanizer. It's a liquid highlighter. I really like the color from the Balm, or this Marc Jacobs one, which is super dirty. I think I'm going to use a little bit of the Marc Jacobs, I think. Ooh, too much. Beauty just came out with, what are these lip liners? They're Lip Contour 2.0. She came out with a bunch of really pretty colors, nudes, that sort of things. And she also came out with these new lipsticks. They are cream lipsticks. I tend to go more on the matte side, but I'm going to use a cream today. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. There's like two collections, Bossy Browns and something nudes and Sweet Nudes. So there's like a whole set of those, whole set of the browns, from light to dark in each section. They all look really pretty. I have 3 right here. They're on the lighter side of the brown section. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but the lip liner that I'm going to use is in Terracotta. They are really creamy, and when I swatched them, they stayed on my hand for a long time. But again, that's my hand. You can't really tell by that. That's a really pretty color, and they are super creamy. I think I'm going to try the color Money Maker. Yeah, didn't really do too much. They feel really good.